Alright, definitely a pair in the back, and today I got the new Jabra Elite Pros. Now, we're gonna unbox this, talk about this, put these in our ear, see how they sound. And Jabra is a great company, and they make really, really impressive earbuds. So, if you're also interested in the Elite Actives, you know, more for working out and sweat resistance, check out my previous video. With that being said, let's get into it. I gotta go today, you gotta go today. Let's get it started.
I know what you want, and I wanna be the one to supply.
The Jabra Pro 7s, ultimate calls with ultimate calls with the Jabra multi-sensor voice and adjustable ANC. Ultimate Jabra multi-sensor voice for revolutionary calls and performance everywhere. Adjustable active noise cancellation ANC and hear through. Rich detailed sound personalized to your hearing. Ultimate comfort for outstanding fit and comfort. Up to 9 hours of battery life. 35 with active noise cancellation on, so that's good. And fast charging. Seamless work calls with my controls and use either earbuds. Okay, so this is gonna work with Apple, Androids, everybody. So we good. All right, without further ado, let's get it started. Thoroughly designed, purposefully engineered, expertly built. Welcome to Superior Sound. Get started, download Jabra app, personalize your calls and music experience, and register your earbuds for the 2-year warranty. On this side, it's telling you the company goals, how they're being organic, and also you can actually recycle the product. And on this side, it's telling you how to use them and get it started. All right, so when you first open it up, you got the earbuds itself. You got options, small or large for the ear canal. Then you got a charger, that's the USB Type-C. Without further ado, you got the product itself. You got the Jabras. Now, these are very plasticky. And on the bottom, you got the USB Type-C import, and right here, you got the little light indicator to tell you if it's charged or not. Fully charged, needs to be charged. It'll change colors, so emulate, you know, orange, yellow, green, detailing the status of the charge. Now, you get the Jabras themselves, and here they are. These are okay, plastic design. In no way I'm trying to say they're cheap, it's just the quality is plastic. Just to let you guys know. On the inside, you get the charger case right here. You know, it's the magnets, you place them in there. And now, let's get it started. All right, so to connect with the Jabras, you're gonna need to download the Jabra app. First thing that you're gonna see is the Jabras themselves. All right, so when you connect them, they're gonna tell you what's connected, the Jabra Elite 7 Pro. You got the battery status, and you also got the battery case life. You got the sound mode, so you got active noise cancellation, hear through mode, and off. And then you have options. You can actually change from the bass to mid-range and the treble. And you also have presets. So you got speech if you want to hear somebody. You got, you know, speech preset, bass boost if you want that heavy bass, treble boost, you can change the treble, smooth, energize, you know. I guess it's more towards like the gym, you know, kind of, you know, raise your energy up. Then you have like a demo on how it will sound. All right, so right now I'm gonna put these in. All right, so I got them in, so now I'm gonna listen to some music. Here we go. All right, so I'm listening to. The second song I'm listening to. I'll be honest, these ain't it. Nah. After noise cancellation, it's terrible. The sound quality is terrible. Like the last ones was hitting hard, that bass, but this ain't it. All right, look. Look, see? I got the song playing, right? Look. Boom, look. Look, you see? You see how this switched? Look. Already got a preset on like energize with the bass and the trebles up. So like that joint should be like, you know, popping, like going off, but the bass sound really low and like the music quality just don't, it's not hitting. Like this ain't it. Like, I'm gonna be honest, save your money, go get the Elite Actives, get them joints. But next I'm gonna do the phone calls. All right, so the phone calls was just as bad. I don't know, these these ain't even it. Like, you know, I ain't even trying to trash it, but these ain't it. Like, these ain't even it. Like, nah, these ain't it. I don't know what to say. Bro, I'm gonna just cut this video short. Like, don't even get these Johns. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Don't get these Johns. Like, the material's okay, how they're engineered and designed is okay, but it's super plasticky compared to the actives. But I'm gonna be honest, these ain't it. And I mean, the specs, what y'all wanna know, I already read the specs off. You know, there's really no point kind of going in detail with it. I'm trying to save y'all time and money. Who cares about these specs? It don't matter. Don't even get them. Simple. Don't get these jobs. Yo, I gotta go today. You gotta go today. I'm out. These ones, oof, nah.